If you're wondering how to install WhatsApp on your Galaxy Fit 3, then sorry, but there is no way to do that. But what is possible is to add or get WhatsApp notifications on your Fit 3. And in today's video, I'll show you how to do just that. So, what you're gonna need is the paired smartphone with a wearable app, and also make sure that your Fit 3 is connected to it. Now, on the home screen of the wearable app, you'll see the band settings. Open it. After that, tap on Notifications and select App Notifications. There, you'll see the list of all the apps on your smartphone. Now just scroll down to find WhatsApp and turn on the toggle. That's it. Now you'll receive all the WhatsApp notification for messages and calls on your Galaxy Fit 3. However, if you're still unable to receive WhatsApp notifications, then there are a few settings on the band itself that you may need to change. Open Settings on your band and go to Notifications. Tap on Show Phone Notifications on band and select Show Alerts even when the phone is in use. Now go back to the notification settings, scroll down and open Advanced Settings. Make sure that the notification indicator toggle is on. It will show an orange dot on the watch face to alert you about notifications. When you receive a WhatsApp message on your Fit 3, you can open it and tap on Reply to select any of the quick reply options and send it. It works even when the phone is logged. You'll also receive incoming call notification for WhatsApp voice and video calls. You get the option to either decline the call or send a quick reply. However, it doesn't work for WhatsApp calls. As you can see, I've cut the call from my Fit 3, but it is still ringing on my phone. The decline and quick reply option doesn't work for WhatsApp calls. It only works for cellular calls. So that's it for this one. That's how you can get WhatsApp notification on your Galaxy Fit 3. While you can't install WhatsApp or answer calls directly from the band, you'll still stay updated with messages and call alerts on the go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to Wearholic for more smartwatch tips, reviews and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.